everyone, Morgan here. So we're on page 15 of the Chemical Reactions lecture outline for AP Chem. We're balancing redox equations, and today we're looking at the ones that are in basic solution. And our steps for doing this are essentially the same as they were for acidic solutions. We start off the same way, find the half reactions, balance everything except hydrogen and oxygen, and balance oxygen by adding water. Now, the change is going to come in step 4, and there are different ways of doing this. But what my students have said to me over the years is that this method, the one I'm going to show you today, is the one that they find easiest to understand. It's the most intuitive, and that's why it's the one that I'm going to be using. So what we do is we balance hydrogen by adding 1 water molecule for every hydrogen needed to the side that needs hydrogen. And an equal number of hydroxide ions to the other side. So let's say we need 5 hydrogens. I'd add 5 waters and 5 hydroxides, and the net addition would be just 5 hydrogens, in this case to the left side. Okay, steps 5, 6, and 7 are the same as before. Equalize charge. By adding electrons. Equalize electrons. Add and cancel. Okay, so let's look at some examples here. PO3 3 minus becomes PO4 3 minus, and MnO4 minus becomes MnO2. 1 phosphorus, 1 phosphorus, 1 manganese, 1 manganese. We're cool. 3 oxygens and 4 oxygens. I need a water over here. 4 oxygens and 2. I need 2 waters over here. Now it's hydrogen time, step 4. If I need 2 hydrogens on the right, I add 2 waters and 2 hydroxides. Notice that's the same number on both sides. Now here, 2 times 2 was 4 hydrogens. So I'm going to add 4 waters, and over here, 4 hydroxides. Okay. For every hydrogen I need, I add 1 water molecule. Okay. So I got 2 negatives and 3 negatives. Over here I got 3 negatives. I'm going to add 2 electrons. I got 3 minuses and 1 minus. So I'm sorry, that's a 4. I got 4 minuses and 1 minus. So I'm going to add 3 electrons. Ooh, I'm a little upset. Those electrons are not canceling out nicely. I'm going to have to multiply the top here by 3 and the bottom by 2. Okay, so 2 times 3 is 6 hydroxides plus 3 waters plus 3 phosphites. Did I mention you need to know your polyatomic ions? To give me 3 phosphates, 6 waters, and 6 electrons. down here. 6 electrons, plus 8 waters, plus 2 permanganates, to give me 2 manganese dioxide, plus 4 waters, and 8 hydroxides. Now, I can cancel a lot of stuff here. Those electrons are gone. All 6 of those hydroxides will turn 8 into 2. 6 plus 4 makes 10. 3 plus 8 makes 11. So all of those are gone, leaving me with just 1 water molecule. So what I'm left with is 3 PO3 3 minus plus H2O plus 2 MnO4 minus to give me 3 and 2 hydroxides. All right, take a second and check that out. Pause the video if you have to, get caught up. Okay, let's go on to this second one here. We have NO2 minus nitrite turning into ammonia. And we have aluminum, the solid, turning into AlO2 minus. 1 nitrogen, 1 nitrogen, 1 aluminum, 1 aluminum. We're good. Oxygens, I've got 2. So I'm going to add 2 waters. Oxygen, hey, I've got 2. So I'm going to add 2 waters. Nice how that worked out. Okay, hydrogens. 2 times 2 is 4, but I've got 3 more there. That makes 7. So I'm adding 7 waters and 7 hydroxides. 2 times 2 is 4 hydrogens, so I need 4 waters and 4 hydroxides. Charge. Well, that's a 1 minus, so I'm going to add an electron over here. Okay, well, hold on. Wait a minute. Did I get that? Okay. So, 7 minus, 1 minus. That looks like I'm going to need 6 electrons. 4 minus, 1 minus. The difference, I'm going to need 3 electrons. I'm going to have to multiply this whole thing by 2. So let's go to a new color here. Eight hydroxide plus 4 water plus 2 aluminum to give me 2 AlO2 minus plus 2, so 8 waters and 6 electrons. Then from the top I had 6 electrons plus 7 water plus NO2 minus to give me NH3 plus 2H2O and 7 hydroxides. Feel bad about that boo-boo. Sorry there, folks. All right. Let's do some canceling. 6 electrons takes out 6 electrons. 7 hydroxides leaves me with 1. 7 and 4 makes 11 waters. 8 and 2 makes 10. So all of those go off the right and leaves me with 1 on the left. So I've got 2 aluminum plus a water plus a nitrite and 1 hydroxide to give me 2 AlO2 minus and an ammonia. Okay. Pause if you have to, get caught up. Just like I bet you can imagine, I want you to sit down now and try to do the ones on the next page. And then we'll post another video that goes through them to see how you did. Good luck with it. This is Morgan signing off.